Hi everyone. Department of Chemistry is one of the prestigious departments of our college, and we have very sincere and committed faculties, and they are always working for the progress of the institution and also for the students. I assure you that our faculties will always be with you to help you out in any issues. And when you talk about academics, we are consistently scoring good marks, and we sometimes comes in the top 10 students of Calicut universities. In addition to academics, we are giving importance to arts and sports activities, and our students are achieving in arts and sports, even in inter-zone of Calicut University. And we are sending our students for training purposes in prestigious research organizations like ISAR, NIST, DRDO, etc. And they are getting excellent training in different areas of chemistry. And you will always be comfortable in the department, I assure you, and I wish you all the best.
Hello students, I welcome all the newcomers to the Sacred Heart College, Chalakudy. I hope you will know more about this college and its various departments through this student induction program. Here is a brief description of Department of Physics and its activities. The motto of our department is Energy for All. The department started functioning in 1982, BSc Physics in 1995 and MSc in 2002. The team of dedicated and qualified faculty is led by Dr. Sister Irene, Principal of the college. We are very proud of our principal who, in spite of her administrative responsibilities, find time to continue her research in material science. She has published her research findings in reputed scientific journals and presented in various international conferences. She is an approved research head of University of Calicut. Our students are our real assets. Apart from constant academic excellence, the students of the department showed their talent in various national and state level contests. The department has excellent infrastructural facilities and learning resources like various labs, collection of reference books, modern ICT facilities, etc. Our department is one of the 3 science departments in the college, which is included in the Star College scheme of Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, to strengthen the academic and physical infrastructure. The department is thankful to the college management for renovated laboratories, class and staff rooms after the great flood in 2018, which wiped out almost all our infrastructural resources. Now I am proud to say that we have one of the best laboratory facilities among the colleges in the state, with spacious rooms and adequate high-quality experimental setup and equipment for getting each and every student the hands-on experience of physics. As a part of curriculum, we arrange study visits to national research institutes and laboratories in each year. The department organizes several national level seminars and workshops with the funding from government agencies like UGC, KSCSTE, and in collaboration with a research institute like Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, International Center for Theoretical Sciences, etc. The Physics Association, SHARP, Sacred Heart Association of Royal Physics, organizes various academic and co-curricular activities like special lectures, quiz competitions, newsletter and manuscript magazines, etc. The Energy Club of the department organizes various campaigns and awareness programs inside and outside college aimed at energy conservation and green energy. We fulfill our commitment to the society through various extension activities. The department has been maintaining a unique position in the college in respect of overall performance ever since it was established. The department aims at molding totally competent physicists who can provide innovative leadership in academia and society.
BSc Zoology is the first and oldest undergraduate course of Sacred Heart College, Chalakudy. The department was headed by very renowned personalities like Sister Lilda Teresa, Director, Jeevodaya Hospice, Chennai, Dr. Sister Vinaya Bastin, Vice Provincial and Education Councillor, Provincial House, Chalakudy, Dr. Jolie Thomas, Principal, Knowledge Race School, Muscat. At present, myself, Dr. Tessie KL, is the head of the department. Along with me, Dr. V. Needa, Assistant Professor, and Mrs. Paviram Arjun, Lecturer, are there as my strong hands. Dr. Sister Betsy, Head, Department of Botany, is also giving sincere and wholehearted support to the department. The department has 2 lab assistants, Mrs. Mary MD and Mrs. Sini KO. The whole department, together with the students, function with a single mind and body. This year, quite recently, the college got approval to start MSc Zoology, which is another golden feather to our crown. BSc Zoology offers a special paper, elective paper, aquaculture, poultry and animal husbandry. It has 2 complementary courses like chemistry and botany. The open course offered by the department to other departments is reproductive health and sex education. We also have a UGC sponsored add-on course on quail farming. All these courses are meant to equip a desirous student to remain independent intellectually and economically, as stated in the department motto, let knowledge make you free. The students of the department excel academically and extracurricularly and also in extracurricular activities. This year, the student project, the occurrence of double parasitism on black-barred half-beak fish, and isopod infestation on Indian mackerel of Alina Wilson and team won the best undergraduate student project by Millennium Zoology. It was guided by Dr. Tessie Cale. The students also take part in various quiz competitions and won prizes. The teaching methods adopted are smartboard and ICT enabled, and along with this, field visits, study tours, debates, seminars, etc. are also conducted. We have a very well equipped lab to conduct practicals for the students. We also have museum and a bioinformatics lab. We maintain vermiculture tanks, ornamental and food fish culture ponds, animal houses, etc. The infrastructural facilities in the department. We conduct regular field and institutional visits. Study tours. And we give bridge programs for the first year degree students. Then the extension activities. We regularly conduct extension activities to students and people in and around the locality as a part of lab to land and college to village programs. An important extension activity was that the money obtained by selling quail eggs was donated for the construction of homes of needy students and also to a non-teaching staff. We regularly visit old age homes. Our faculty members. The department is very keen to organize state, national and international level seminars, workshops, conferences, etc. Some of them are Wetland Day celebrations, Science Day celebrations. We collaborate with institutions like CMFRI, SIFT, ADAC, MBDA, Veterinary College, Regional Shrimp Hatchery, etc. to conduct student projects. Very specifically, the department will celebrate days of biological importance like World Environment Day, give awareness to monsoon diseases and like important awareness classes were given to the whole college. The department has an association, SASH, with a motto, conservation is better than preservation, and a logo, Pearl Oyster. It releases a manuscript magazine and a newsletter, Jiva. This is some activities of the SASH and releasing ceremony of newsletter. Different awareness classes and cultural programs organized by the department. As the department was also included in the Star College scheme sponsored by DBT, various programs were conducted. Important among them were hands-on training on DNA isolation and barcoding for the students of 30C Zoology in association with Mr. Tojo Tarail, Director, DRP Molecules, Kalamasheri, and Ms. Soja NJ. And we also got a training on the preparation of dairy products at Dairy Training Institute, Alathur. We have a strong and well-placed alumni. Some of them are well-placed in different institutions, in some medical colleges and some universities, and some are still pursuing research in prestigious institutions. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you to the Department of Zoology. Thank you.